Hello, my name is Nihar Lohia and I'm Product Marketing Manager at RazorpayX. In this video, we will see how can you send money to a customer's Amazon Pay using RazorpayX. To create a payout, click on the Payouts button on the dashboard. Now, to make a payment to the customer's Amazon Pay wallet, you have to select Debit from Virtual Account. Now you can either select from your existing contact list or you may add a new contact for your customer. Let's add a new contact. You may select the contact type from the list or you may add a new contact type for your customer. Entering the email is optional. Once you click next, the contact will be saved. Now select wallet as a payout option and the previously entered number is auto-populated. Do note that the customer should have an Amazon Pay account on this number, though they need not have completed KYC for it. Now enter the payout amount and select the purpose of this transaction for future reference. You may even schedule the payout for a future time period. Once you click next, you will receive an OTP. As you enter the OTP, click on Create Payout and the payout is done. You may also check it out by clicking on Account Statement. To create a payout link for your customer with an option for them to accept the payments in their Amazon Pay wallet, click on Payout Links and select Debit from Virtual Account. And now follow the procedure similar to the previous one where we created a payout. Now the created payout link would look something like this for your end customers. Your customer first needs to verify themselves. Let's verify. Also, they can see the reason for this payout link being sent out to them. Now the customer has three options to accept the payment. First is in the bank account, second is through the UPI ID, or the third is through their wallet. Entering the number, clicking next. Now, the customer just needs to have a final look and click confirm to receive the money instantly in their Amazon Pay gift card balance. Do note that the amount per transaction on Amazon Pay is limited to Rs 10,000. And there is no limit on the number of transactions you can do per customer. So this is how seamless it is for you to create a payout link and for your customer to accept the payout in their Amazon Pay gift card balance.